want to thank each and everyone who came here. I know your time is precious, but you chose to come here and celebrate my birthday, and you are a blessing to me. We came here in 2019 before the pandemic, and it's only me and my wife in that two-bedroom apartment. We don't know anybody from Philippines, and my wife cried because we don't have anything and we were just eating in the floor. For 2 years, we haven't met any Filipino in that place because of the COVID thing. But I started, when we went out, we rented another house. I met Hasmin.
Yeah.
Then things started to get wonderful, colorful, happier. And I did not expect that. I don't know your background. We just met here. And we just met here, but this is, we are destined to be here. We are destined to be here. I know each and every one of you prayed to be here. And I went to church today. And the homily was more like on focusing on yourself, talking to yourself, understanding yourself. What are the reasons you are here? And what are your blind spots? You have to know what are your blind spots, because those are the times that will just cut you off from your focus. So be attentive always, and really I felt the family. To those kay Ate Lina nakatira, I'm really happy na nakarating kayo. As in, masaya ako. I really wanted to have a bigger family here, especially in the US. To my neighbor, Evelyn and Artemio, with two beautiful twins. Thank you so much for coming. To Richard, thank you also for coming. And to Jocelyn, I know Paul will be coming. And your mere presence is really appreciated. I really appreciate it. And I pray that during your birthday also, you will invite me also. And blessings to everyone. Just keep praying. I've seen pictures who were having the hard time also from few months. Some cried. I know Jessica, we called Jessica to come here because one teacher wanted to go home. But Jessica was able to tell her to stay, and now she's happily staying here. She brought her family already and they're very happy.
Bakit mo yung $10 per Jessica?
Jessica, let me money.
Maraming taos-puso akong nagpapasalamat, Ma'am Mel, Sir Julius, Sir Larry,
for the video.
like Claudine, Ma'am Juana, and to everyone. Know that I don't know you that much, but you're dear to me. Thank you so much.
Honey Bunch.
Thank you.
Sir Mark, si Honey Bunch. Cake, dalhin mo yung cake po.
Ay, yung cake.
Sir Jace, oh. Okay. Yeah. Kau bumug cake? Music ta, music. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. More. Happy birthday.
Hash Kids.
Go ahead.
Robot is the best animated movie of the year. In theaters September 27th.
Colgate Total gives you 24-hour antibacterial
Hungiti na si Ma'am Jenny, hungiti.
before they start.
Hungita na ka. Subukan mo na si Ma'am Jenny.
Where's the beer?
Okay. Alright, kainan na.